That's all well and good, Mr. Mussolini, but what kind of haircut am I giving you? Let's go with... bold.
The SCP Foundation has interrupted your standard broadcast to issue a threat level opponent announcement. This warning is effective immediately and it will continue in the foreseeable future. At this time, the Foundation asks to stay indoors and block all natural lighting. Updates will be given at the top of every hour. The following instructions are vital for your safety. You have to complete all the instructions at the end of this transmission. Stay away from all visual light 390 to 700 nanometers emitted by the sun. Stay away from all visual light 390 to 700 nanometers reflected by the moon. Citizens attempting to travel outdoors must fully cover their bodies in protective clothing, preferably several layers. Traveling by foot should be avoided as much as possible. Secure and close all entrances and windows from the shelter. Do not look outside. Cities and man-made structures in general provide the greatest protection. Formerly human elements should be circumvented. Refuse all requests frozen time to come inside. No matter human SCP. And transmission.